everybody, Tio from Art Geek Teaching. Today we're going to look at a really quick video on how to slice an image in Photoshop. The reason I need to slice this image, or why you want to slice an image, is if you want to print larger than what your current printer can print. In this case, I need a laser printed image, and so I'm going to print it on my little brother printer, and the size I need is for a really odd size cradle panel that I made, and so it's too big for that laser printer, so I'm going to cut it into 4 pieces, tile it, and then put it together when we do the painting. So here we go. First thing we're going to do is open our image. I've already had this open. I've already done it a couple times. I ran into some issues, so this hopefully will help you through that. So you can find your slice tool over on the crop tool icon on your tool palette, and it is the third one down. You can see over there. So just click on that and you'll come up with a little, it looks like a, I don't know, maybe an X-Acto knife or something. But if you just put that in the middle of your image or somewhere in your image, then right click on it, you'll find down in the middle here a little piece called Divide Slice. You're going to click on that, and then you are just going to divide it into however many pieces you need for your printer. In my case, my printer does only 8.5 by 11. I guess it could do 8.5 by 14, but it's 8.5 wide, and so the cradle panel I'm going to put it on is 13.5 by 17.5, and so the size of the slices I need are 6 3/4 by 8 3/4. So I would need 2 columns and 2 rows. All right, so just click OK. Then the next step is you're going to save it, export it. Actually, you can't just save it, it won't save properly, so you have to go to export it. You're going to save it for the web. If you go up here, you can choose how you want to save it. For me, I'm just going to leave it in a very high quality JPEG. I'm going to hit save, and then you could see that it put together a folder, or it will, I guess, once I choose where it's going. Put together a folder, and it's going to put all of them in one folder. So you are going to tell it where you want it to go. I'm choosing Alleys in Light, which is that painting. Click on save. It says it already exists, so I'm going to go ahead and replace it. I already did it once. Okay, now for me, in fact, we'll go down here. It saved it for me. You can see there's my first ones and there's my second ones. Right here, first, right here, second. The interesting thing about this is if you take these and open them in Photoshop, which we'll do here. If you look at these and you look at the size, go up to image size, it did not save them the size that I asked it to save them, which is really weird. I don't know why it does that. But so what I'm going to do is just go to image size. I'm going to put in 6.75, and I want 8.75, and my resolution, or my PPI, was 300. Click OK, and now that looks like the slice that I need. So if I go to image size, that is the size that I need. So then all I need to do is save each one of those. So it's going to say, hey, do you want to replace this? Yes, I do. And there you go. So that's it. Have a great day.